Hi students, in this video discuss about an objective of database design. First of all, why are the database design objectives is important. The main objective of database design is to have variations of between the implementations. Some of factors that play the vital role in database design and discussed. First one is efficiency. Efficiency is the major part of the database design. The database design must to complete the both hardware and software in which the database run with efficient use of facilities provided. When the database is online, then the user must interact without time delay. Second, integrity. Integrity means the database must maintain the integrity of data. The data should be accurate, preserved, and viewed various levels. We need to avoid the corruption of data at the lower level and accurate the representations of data at the higher level. For example, the patient's record must reflect the actual medical history. Third one is privacy. The term privacy means controlling the distributions of data with respect to the people. It deals with the data safety and protection in terms of the owners, employees, and customers. It keeps the data accurate, limiting the data has to it are the same security for the privacy. For example, the bank balance of one customer must not to expose the other customer. Security. The security is the concern with the protecting, computing the resources and preparing the physical disorders that might damage the equipment of data. Implementation. The main task involved in implementations in installing software, creating database, transferring data, and interfacing effectively with the database design. Flexibility. Flexibility deals with the updating and altering the data stored in the database. The data design should adopt the changes and the data redundancy must be avoided. For example, adding the new user data types without redesigning the database. Third one is minimize the data redundancy. So to avoid the repeated or duplicated data, save changes and improve the consistency achieved through the normalizations with proper table design. Thank you.